Now, the Jamaica Boxing Association closed out the year on a high as the final Wray Nephew fight night delivered the fireworks promised, as 2 of the 3 professional fights ended by way of knockout and a technical knockout at the Constant Spring Field. Christopher Scott reports.
During the pro bouts, the local boxers stamped their class on their Dominican Republic opponents by drawing one and knocking out the other in a commanding fashion, while the 2 local debutants in the first of the 3 pro fights was a real thriller to experience. A very experienced amateur boxer Daniel Hilton stopped Demar Haslam in the 4th round at the 1 minute and 1 second mark, winning by technical knockout, where Haslam indicated that he could take no more punishment.
Knowing that I've been preparing so long, it means a lot to me. I've dedicated all my life to this sport, and to start my professional career like this, I've been fighting for about 15 years now, so it means so much.
The still undefeated Josier Ironman Heron's bout was judged a majority draw against January Morteta of the Dominican Republic. Scores in the bout were 38-38, 39-37, 38-38. Referee Peter Richards had a hard task keeping the boxers apart during their 4 rounds as they held on to each other quite a bit, which then led to flurries of punches with neither really dominating the other. The final bout for the night saw German crossbreed Bowen knocking out the more experienced, older, light heavyweight Elvis de la Rosa of the Dominican Republic after 2 minutes and 59 seconds in the 2nd round of their expected 6-round matchup. De La Rosa actually landed on the canvas in both rounds, but survived a referee Owen Nelson's 8 count in the 1st round. Bowen waxed warm about winning his fight in such a dominant fashion, while at the same time lauding his opponent.
It's tougher than how I think. I have to give credit to him, but otherwise you put in the training, we stay consistent and this is the end result. There's always levels to this too. So I level what we did on consistency, and well, I think that stuff in the 1st round, but he come out and he catch me with a couple of good punches, and I said, well, in tough, so we have to give kudos to him because it's a good victory tonight. Represent for Westmoreland, we're damaged by the Storm, Landile, Vampen, Savlamar.
There were also 7 amateur bouts on the night.
I think it was a fantastic night. I think the fights were great from the first fight to the last. I think the way crossbreed ended the night was a perfect ending for the year and a great look for 2026.
The fight night was used as a benefit for the Western-based boxers who were devastated by Hurricane Melissa and the YMCA in Savlamar. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.